Alright, today I got these mud flaps for the XC70. I'm going to cut these open. I'm going to try to get these all installed today. They look pretty good. A little eBay special. Rally armor. I got a set that doesn't have any of the pre-drilled holes, so they're a lot cheaper. And we're going to have to drill our own holes. I'm going to try to reuse the factory locations, so hopefully that works out. And these will get looking pretty good. Let's get them on. Okay, so for the mud flaps here, we've got these factory screws kind of thing, and I think if you get an OEM option with it, that's where they would screw on. So we're just going to try to drill some holes in there. As you can see, I've got my little cardboard thing for them, and we are going to get them placed up all in there. Alright, we got the first one on. We've already got the holes mirrored on another one to get the back on. Yep, definitely did a little whoopsie there, but that's okay. It'll all get covered up by mud anyways. I'll show you what it looks like from the back. Alright, so there you go. It's the rally armor ones. Looking pretty good. I'm doing some brake work right now too. Figured I'd slap these on. But let's get the other one on the back and see how it looks. Okay, so that one is on. I don't know why, but that bottom one gave me so much trouble I had to re-drill it a couple times. Here's what we're looking like from the back. Doing pretty good. Have to see what it's like when it's dropped down. They look like they're kind of bow-legged. Uh-oh, got them evened out a bit. Doesn't look so bow-legged anymore. There's a couple extra holes, but you know, we'll just call that weight reduction. And time to do the front. I have now learned how not to do it, and we're gonna do it the right way. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but since my car's a bit dirty, I was able to push in where it was. You can see these outlines here, and it left marks right where the bolts go. So it gave me handy little places to drill out on the front. So we'll get this on and then do the other side. Alright, there you go. That's how you get mud flaps on there. Front and the back. As you can see, I need them. But having the car dirty for now was good to get them on there. Should come in handy. That is how you install your universal ones onto the XC70.